Welcome to the tiny world, folks. How's everyone doing? Feeling all healed up yet with the video? In today's video, we're diving into the behind-the-scenes process of creating these tiny world videos and how to make the best use of AI tools. And guess what? I've noticed that not many people are doing this niche, whether on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. If you're interested, now's the perfect time to jump in. All right, let's get started. Step 1. How to get your prompts. Let me ask you a question. When it comes to using AI to create a brand new video, what's the toughest part? I'm guessing it's probably the prompts, right? Writing prompts can be a real headache, but don't worry. I've got some pre-made tiny world video prompts ready for you. You can join my WhatsApp channel to grab the full document. Feel free to add your own creative touch to these prompts and create stunning visuals and animations. Believe in yourself. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Step 2. Generating image and animation prompts. Once you've got your prompts, it's smooth sailing from here. Head over to ChatGPT, find a few similar images, drag them into the chat, and then enter your prompt. Pro tip: this is a super good way to reverse engineer prompts, so make sure to use this technique wisely. Boom! That's when the magic of AI kicks in. Here, ChatGPT gives us both image and animation prompts. How cool is that? All right, let's move to the next step. Step 3. Generating images. Today, we'll use Pixelman AI. If you've watched my previous videos, you're probably familiar with it by now. But if you are a new guy with my video, just sign up with your email. It's free. Click Launch App, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. Oh, and before you click Generate, don't forget to select the model and aspect ratio. Choose the Pixelman Art V1 model and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Tweak each image according to your expectations and video length, then download them to your computer. Step 4. Generating animations. Next, head over to Kling AI. Upload your images, enter the animation prompt, and click Generate. Since Kling AI is a bit slow lately, I paired it with Hailuo AI to save time. Pro tip: if you think your credits are running low, just create a few extra accounts. All right, we've got our video clips. Step 5. Upscaling video clips. Personally, I recommend boosting the clarity of your videos to give your viewers the best experience. Head to CapCut, you'll find the link in the description. Click on Magic Tools, then select Video Upscaler. Upload your video and hit Upscale. Just a couple of clicks, and bam, your video is as sharp as a cat's whiskers. Okay, let's keep going. Step 6. Editing the video. Before we start editing, we'll need some sound effects and background music. You can download sound effects from Pixabay. For background music, head to YouTube Studio, or if you're uploading from your phone, you can use more popular tracks from YouTube. Now, open CapCut, import your video clips and music, drag the clips to the timeline, trim them, adjust the speed, add sound effects, then add your background music. Finally, throw on a filter. Export it, and voila! Now, take a look at your masterpiece.
Everybody has their own tree. And then it corners around. And everybody gets one thing to like people out
How's it looking? Want more prompts? Just hop back into ChatGPT, enter the prompt, ask for a new theme, and ChatGPT will give you fresh prompts for that theme. You'll have more than enough to keep making awesome videos. Pretty cool, right? Alright, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Got any questions or need tutorials on something else? Drop a comment below. You can also visit my channel's homepage for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't miss it. Good luck.